Hey, it's with Eldora's Chess, and today I have a nice little video for you. So we have talked about the Danish Gambit, which starts with e4, e5, d4, and not going. Black doesn't go for after we sacrifice our c pawn for initiative. Black doesn't go for the Sorensen defense or for the Slechter defense or for the classical defense. Black goes after we gambit all our pawns on the queen side except our a pawn. Black goes for this move, and this is called the classical variation of the Danish Gambit, and it's not that popular on the high level. So the Danish Gambit isn't popular on the high level, but from every variation, the people, the really good chess players, they don't like this variation in general, I think. But I see it a lot in Blitz and Bullet online. And why do high level people don't like this opening? Because a key component of the Danish Gambit is to stabilize the position and have a better endgame with two pieces and neutralize the white opponent, the opponent with the white pieces. And we do this with pushing our d5 pawn very early. This is one of the reasons the Danish Gambit fell out of style in the 20th century, because black players analyzed it so deeply that there's actually no secret or no attack for the white side. And it looks very exciting, but just like the Marshall Gambit in the Ruy Lopez, it dries out very quickly because a lot of moves are forced. So in this position, when you're white, most people go for the e5 push, and nowadays with the help from computers, everyone plays bishop b4. It's and here a lot of people that don't study opening theory, they will protect with the knight, but this is already a slight inaccuracy, because a lot of people that play this, they use the engine with both sides, and the problem is with this move already, it's already in inaccuracy on the high level, because let's say we can push our d5 pawn, and white is forced to capture, and black stabilizes the position and is a little bit better. And what's the difference between this and the bishop? If you now push d5, it doesn't work because we have time to take the bishop for free, and black's position is just terrible. But I see a lot of mistakes in general. It is a very dangerous position for both sides, but especially for black, because let's say you play the classical, you just play normal looking, you know about bishop c4, white plays bishop knight c3, and black plays bishop d5, takes. It's already very, very poisonous for white. Let's say white takes the queen, black plays a natural looking move, takes, we castle long. Here, if white, a lot of people I analyze a lot of positions, and a lot of players, they go with the king to here, and then it's minus a +5 for white, because we have all this pressure, and the white king is very badly placed. This pawn is amazing, and there's forks everywhere. The white has so many options, and it's so losing. So that's why for the black side of the Danish Gambit, I would recommend the queen e7 line, the Sorensen defense, or the Schlechter defense. But this classical variation with knight f6, you can play it, but you have to know a lot of moves, and it's not easy, because one mistake and you're already down. Because unlike the Copenhagen defense, white is sooner or later going to push his e5 pawn, and you're going to lose the tempo. There are some tricks also for black, because let's say we play the weird looking move this, and white says, oh, okay, I can just take the knight and it's game over. No, we push this pawn with the discovered attack on the queen and the bishop, and again we have this weird position, but black is much better. So if you want to try this with black or the white side, if for the people who want to play it with black, you can play this, but be sure that you know bishop c4, and be sure that you punish your opponent when he plays knight c3, and always look out for this d5 break, and go for all the possible moves, because in this position one mistake can cost you the game very quickly.